Naalala ko noon, nung first ever video ko, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, sasayaw ba ako, kakanta ba ako. And knowing myself, hindi ako marunong sumayaw or kumanta. So looking back, and comparing it now, we're very grateful kasi because of TikTok, we've discovered na kaya pala namin. And presenting to you our brand, Alta Philippines, we're very grateful kasi in Alta Philippines, hindi lang po yung products namin yung ino-offer namin, but also our advocacy, which is to help augment the shoe industry, not only in Marikina, but also in the entire Philippines. And every pair na bibili nyo po sa Alta Philippines, we are able to help our local artisans in Marikina so that they can provide food on their table for their families. So yun. Thank you so much, TikTok, for the recognition, and this is really a true testament na talagang our hard work really paid off this year.
Thank you.